In this Passive Pro review, I'm going to be showing you a system responsible for bringing in over $18,000 per month in reoccurring money. I'm going to show you exactly what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Passive Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says newbie friendly, how I make an easy $18,000 a month in passive recurring income using this 2022 free traffic formula. Passive Pro shows complete newbies exactly what to do to create a life-changing passive income. Now, this is something that's being put out by a guy named Fergal Downs. Fergal was actually the first person that I interviewed when I used to do interviews on my marketing show. He was the first person that came on there, and he's been doing internet marketing for years now. It's been funding his travels around the world. He's lived all over the world. He's from Ireland originally. He's lived in the United States. He lived in Texas, I believe. I think it was in Austin. He's lived in Thailand. Now he's in the Canary Islands. And he's just been able to do that by creating passive income streams. And he teaches exactly how you can do that too inside of this system here. Now, this income proof here, 100% believable. Like a lot of times I look at these sales pages and I'm like, oh, wow, this is awful. But yeah, 100% believable here. The only thing that I want to make sure is clear is that I know that he's had affiliates promote this as well. So when he puts out that money, that's 18,000, I'm not sure if that's his money or if he has to share part of that with affiliates. So his income might only be $9,000 if he splits that with affiliates. That's still a lot of money to be making every month. Even if he splits half of that with affiliates, still a lot of money to be making there. And I bet he gets to keep more of that himself. So if we go down through the sales page stuff, blah, blah, blah. Step one, you go through the step-by-step training. Step two, you activate the traffic methods and you apply the system. And then you're able to essentially copy the same system that he's been using to make this kind of money here. And there's no reason why anyone who wants to take action can't do that. Here's some traveling pictures of his. Here he is in Amsterdam, Portugal, Angkor Wat, and Cambodia, all over the world here. So yeah, if you're interested in doing this, you can pick this up for very, very cheap. You get all the different step-by-step training, the viral traffic methods, done for you recurring income formulas, all that included inside of here. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick little video of Fergal explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Hey there, what's up everyone? It's Fergal Downs here, and I want to start by welcoming you to my Passive Pro course. So, you've seen a lot of sales videos before in the past that try and trick you into buying their course, or lots of buzzwords in there. Well, this isn't going to be anything like that. All I'm going to do inside this video is tell you what I'm going to teach you inside Passive Pro, and I'm going to leave the decision up to yourself if you want to come and join me inside the members area where I can teach you how to build your own passive income online. So what does Passive Pro teach you? Inside Passive Pro, I'm going to show you how I was able to build my passive income up to over $18,000 per month in 100% passive income using a free traffic method. Now, I know myself personally, I started internet marketing because I wanted the passive income. I wanted to be out surfing or traveling the world or going to the bar with my friends and to come home with more income, to come home to more income than I went out with. And that's exactly what you're able to do with Passive Pro. I'm able to travel the world. I'm currently living in the Canary Islands. So I'm able to travel the world and still make money passively while I'm going to waterfalls, while I'm going to the pub, while I'm going to soccer games, while I'm going to boxing matches, or whatever it is that I want to do. I'm passively able to make money while I'm away doing these events. And that's the dream for internet marketing. It's passive income. We don't want to be slaving over our job, working really, really hard on this. We want to have passive income coming in while we're sleeping or whatever it is that we're going to be doing. So that's exactly what I show you inside Passive Pro, is how to set this up for yourself, even if you're the most novice of computer users, how to set this up, get that passive income going for yourself, and how to build it up and scale it over time. So I hope you will join me inside Passive Pro, and if you do, I'll see you on the inside in just a moment. Go below this video, hit the join button, and I'll see you on the inside in just a moment.
Okay, so now we're in the back end area. This is where you can see all the different course material here. So he's got the overview, Passive Pro case study showing real examples, which is really important. He walks you through like creating your own recurring product ideas, building your site, protecting your site, best affiliate platforms, customer retention, price points, commissions for affiliates, free traffic, paid traffic, student traffic, affiliate traffic, all that you need to learn in order to do this. So it's a full, complete system. Now he does have upgrades too, of course. He says, want us to do it all for you so that you can make money faster. So this is more of a done for you thing that you can get if you want them to give you stuff that's like all done for you. The next one here is how my VIP club members make up to $10,000 each per month and how you can too. So you can join this here. You join for $2. I'm sure that's probably a trial after that, but you can get in there and join in on that. Next one here is copy our exact advanced free traffic strategy that we use to flood our sites with free traffic that converts into sales. So if you want to get traffic, next one here is get live internet marketing coaching directly from Fergal. So if you want to get that one, it's right here. Next one here is watch the video below in full to see how I made $754,000 online as an internet marketer and use that money to travel the world. So if you want to get that, you can get that there. And the last one here is get approval to promote Passive Pro as your own product and get 100% commission on the entire sales funnel. So that's another optional upgrade. All these upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Passive Pro and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's a little bit unclear on the sales page, like where's this traffic coming from? It's a little bit blind there. So just know that there's multiple ways of getting traffic with this, but you will have to follow it. You'll have to put some work in. This isn't some push button magic button. What do I like about this? It's real. It's Fergal's real business. He's actually doing it. I can vouch for him. He doesn't work very much. I've actually hung out with Fergal, and I know that he doesn't work a ton on his business. He likes to set things up that work for him in the background. If you're interested in learning how you can create a business just like Fergal's, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Passive Pro, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video.